Let's create a realistic snow in Blender with just one click. We have a really simple scene right here. We have an airplane as the main model and the plane as the ground, and that's it. And in case you want to get this airplane completely for free, check out the link down there in the description. The airplane is a free model from cgtrader.com. Get it, do whatever you want with this. Okay, now in order to add this realistic snow effect with just one click, you need to go here to Edit, Preferences, and enable the add-on that is called Real Snow. Just type Real and you will see here Real Snow. Enable it like this, go here, save preferences, and you're ready to go. Now press N on a keyboard to go to the side panel right here and find your Real Snow add-on. It's right there. And this is it. We have Add Snow button. One click will do everything. But now it's grayed out. That's because we need to select the model or the objects where we want to apply the snow effect. So I will go to the airplane collection here. It's all the objects there. Right click, select objects. Now we can apply it. And yeah, see the plane, this plane right there, I don't want it. So I want to put it out of it because I just want to apply snow on the airplane. So now select objects and add snow. Everything is as default. In a matter of couple of seconds, voila, we have amazing real snow effect that will be even better when I go to the render here. But wait a moment. We can push this even further. We can make some really cool snow on the ground and some trails from the wheels. Why not? Let's do that. So in order to do that, let's select the ground, go to the face edit, and we need to subdivide this several times. So right click, subdivide, and oops. And I will do that several times until I have some small polygons. Maybe this is enough. This can be enough. Yeah. So I will go to the top view and deselect everything and just select these polygons here where the wheels are. This is one and this is another one. Perfect. And now I want to add snow everywhere except there. So I will press Ctrl or Command I, invert everything, go back to the object and go back to the snow with all the default settings. I will just press here, select, let me show everything. So select faces, selected faces, so it will apply only to the selected faces, add snow, and you will see in a matter of couple of seconds, voila, perfect, we have snow everywhere except the trails. If you want to spice it even more and add it to these trails, okay, let's go. You can see here we have a snow collection. We can just collapse it and go back to the plane, go back to the edit. And now what we can do, if you go with the forward slash, you can see just the plane. Invert it again, Control or Command I, just to have these trails, and go back to object and to real snow. And this time I want to go with 0.1, for example. Okay, again to select it, add snow, and in a matter of couple of seconds we have it also here, but just a little bit less, 0.1, I think meters. So, okay, if we go back to render, I have all the lights and everything, and this is how it looks. I just give my MacBook a time to render it. So it's amazing. It's a real snow effect, and I really love it. And this is really simple. One click, realistic snow. That's it. Alright guys, if you like this tutorial and you want to learn more, especially as a beginner, check out my next tutorial and enjoy the new knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.